Hey guys, welcome to the Overbooked tutorial. In this lesson, you'll learn about the Overbooked community, a private social network available exclusively to Overbooked members, so you can connect and grow your circle. From the main menu, click the OBC toolbar, and you'll be taken to your profile. And you can customize your profile with a banner image, a thumbnail, and edit the about information. And have fun with it. This is your opportunity to let the community know all about you. And that's not all. You can post updates with images and links. I like to use the community to keep you guys updated with exciting news about the app. Like everything else in life, the OBC is more fun with friends. You can follow, like, comment, and share content. And because it's a private community, you don't have to worry about trolls. So you see, the Overbooked community is the perfect place to connect with artists who are serious about their success, just like you. Congratulations on getting started in the Overbooked community and taking the first step to building your fan base.